Welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's backend theme, the Arc theme powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand the 4 important features which are app drawer, global search, all apps and frequent apps, and mark favorite feature. So to start the video, I'll just jump on the top left corner of my screen where I can see the app drawer button. I'll click over this and I can see all the applications of my Odoo ERP. Let's assume we are having more than 200 applications into our ERP, so it becomes very difficult for us to search any single application. To achieve this purpose, we have provided this global search feature. Here you can write the name and get the best results. Also, we have provided you all apps and frequent app features where you can go to the frequent and you can get the results which you use daily. For an example, you use 5 apps very frequently on daily basis, so it becomes very easy for you to catch them. After this, we have this favorite app feature where you can mark the apps as favorite. For that, you have to click on star button. Here you can see different apps with the star and non-star feature. So let's say once we click on this star button, it becomes unfavorite. And once I do that and I cross this and I click on any apps, then you can see all these 3 favorite apps on the favorite bar. So this solves our purpose to every time go into the app drawer and get choosing any particular application. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help to you. For any further questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.